Hello everyone, today we will tackle on 4 types of ratio, its formula and examples. For simple ratios, the formula is fairly straightforward. The first number will form the part A and the second will be B. So we will write it in the form of A is to B. Let's take a look at an example. The ratio of pens to pencils is 4 to 7. There are 21 pencils. How many pens are there? Firstly, we will write the ratio. Pens to pencils and to the total. So from this ratio, we can tell that there are 21 pencils which equals to 7 units. From here we will just find 1 unit, which is just 21 divided by 7 and that gives us 3. Lastly, find 4 units, this gives us 3 times 4 and leaves us with 12. Between the old and new ratios, I will add numbers, use adding or subtraction symbols to distinguish the two ratios. Other than that, everything is the same. Okay, let's take a look at an example. The ratio of red to blue marbles is 5 to 9. After adding 10 red marbles, the ratio becomes 7 to 9. How do we find the original red marbles? Just like how we did the first time, write down the ratio before and after first. Here we will notice that the ratio of the blue marbles did not change. From here, we can subtract the difference between the part that did change, which is the red marbles. 7 minus 5 is 2. Hence we will write 2 units is equals to 10 marbles and we will find 1 unit which is 10 divided by 2 and that gives us 5. Finally we will find the original unit of the marbles and that's 5. 5 times 5 leaves us with 25 red marbles. On this third part, we can use total or difference of the two quantities and remain the same. I will display the 2 guidelines here for you to follow along. The ratio of Alice's age to Bob's age is 4 to 1. In 6 years, it will be 2 to 1. How old is Alice now? Can you tell if it's a difference unchanged concept? Let's take a closer look. We can write down the information given to us. A is to B is to their difference. We can now add 6 years to both of them and their difference is now 1 unit. For this ratio, their difference is the same. Their common multiple is 3. From here, we multiply the whole ratio by 3. That leaves us with 6, 3 to 3. Now we can ignore the previous ratio and compare the old and the new. Using Alice's age, we can subtract 4 from 6 and that leaves us with 2 units. From the passage, we can tell that that would be 6 years. Then, we can find 1 unit and proceed to calculate Alice's original age which is 3 times 4, this gives us to 12 and that is the final answer. This is the last concept, so what do we need to do if nothing stayed the same and all quantities changed? We cross-multiply. Let us look at this last question. The ratio of black to white dogs is 2 to 3. After 6 black and 4 white dogs are added, the new ratio is 4 to 5. We need to find the original number of white dogs. Similar to the first 3 questions, we write down the ratio given to us before we do anything else. On the left, I will add the respective numbers to indicate the change between the ratios. And for the next ratio, it is 4 to 5. Here, I will cross-multiply and that will be equal to each other. So let's rewrite it as 5 bracket 2 units plus 6 bracket, which is equals to 4 bracket 3 units plus 4 bracket. When I expand and multiply them, I get 10 units plus 30 which is equals to 12 units plus 16 on the right side of the screen. Taking 12 units minus 10 units, I get 2 units and take 30 minus 16 which leaves us just 2 units equals to 14. Hence we can find 1 unit from here and find 3 units. Which is the original number for white dogs? Now try it yourself. Don't forget to leave a like and I will see you on the next video.